They have star, don't they? Wait, do you have star? No. Does Hey, hi Renee. Let's make a line of us taking turns. So we take turns putting ornaments on.
Sounds great.
The ornaments aren't letting me put them on the tree.
Oh, how stinkerish.
I can put these right on top.
Oh,
I can get it. I got it. You're putting it on. Oh, it's gonna hurt.
oh, so close. All right, Otto can fix it. You're not tall enough, darling.
It's right there. Get on.
It's splitting. Yeah, it's all right.
Such a small star.
You see that Christmas tree? It's so pretty. Yeah, leave it there. Where's the ball? Do you see a ball on the Christmas tree? Do you see a ball on the Christmas tree? Like right here? Hey, come here, look. This is a ball. Yeah, there's a bunch of balls on the Christmas tree. You see the lights, Renee?
Yeah.
So pretty.
I like that song.
Oh, you like that song?
Whoa. They're decorated.
I think it's on the front of that house's gable up there.
I don't know.
That's the green.
Well, we'll get up there and see.
Oh, and look at some of the lights, the rotating lights on.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty. Do you
We
see
need
those
to
like
have those
rotating lights there by the door?
Friends. Miniature disco.
You see how it's spinning?
Yeah. There's even a Santa Claus up in the upper room there as part of decorations. See, there it is. Wave at him.
Look, it's a Star Wars house. Who's that other?
The Death Star is
Who's
up
the
there.
other silhouette over there with the bow on it? There's Yoda? Okay. Oh yeah, there's Yoda.
Little Yoda.
That's funny. What do you think, Carrie?
A lot of
I love it.
So pretty. How?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Intense.
this football game. It's a close game.
Fa la 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 llamas. What's their Instagram? Oh. What is it? Meanwhile at the cottage. Everyone follow them on Instagram. A what?
A clown-shaped window.
Oh my goodness, it is a crown-shaped window. That's so pretty. And look at this peacock. Look, R2-D2 has antlers.
He's got
Yep.
a very shiny, bright red button nose.
You think Poe would like it? You think he'd just bark at everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. We're his people. We're his people. And look at these guys on the teeter-totter. That is too funny. Oh my gosh, how funny. That is so great. Do not pass. I think Levi's tired.
Seriously? Yeah, no, I'm sorry. 2 arms, 2 feet. I'm doing it.
And if it gets sticky, you can get a little bit more of the powdered sugar to sprinkle on there. Yeah. And sprinkle it on your rolling pin too. Oh, wait. Oh, that's upside down. Over. Oh, let's try to make them close together. There we go.
I'm doing
Oh, press it all the way down. All the way hard. There you go. Oh yeah, I need to get a pan ready so we can put it on the pan.
I can't get that well.
Oh, upside down, Renee. Turn it over. No, like this. There. You want the sharp side down that's gonna cut. You said 18 to 20 minutes?
8 to 10 minutes.
Oh, that's different.
Oh well. Now. Ooh. Ninjas. What is this?
It's an angel. Do a big heart.
Put it on the pan.